Fire the new hustle. What working in a Zimbabwean bank actually looks like in 2026. If you still picture a Zimbabwean bank as a place where people wait in 5-hour queues for crisp notes while tellers manually stamp booklets, you're about 3 years behind the curve. Working in Zimbabwe's finance sector in 2026 is a whirlwind. We are currently living through one of the most aggressive digital transformations in African history. Between the stabilization of the ZiG, the rise of the gold-backed digital tokens GBDT, and the Fintech-first mandate from the RBZ, being a banker today feels less like being a clerk and more like being a tech consultant with a suit. Here is the unvarnished reality of the job today. 1. You aren't just a banker, you're a tech troubleshooter. In 2026, the digital-first policy isn't just a slogan. With the ZiG now dominating national payment systems, most of your day isn't spent handling physical cash, it's spent managing digital flows. The reality: you will spend significant time explaining mobile money integrations, troubleshooting Zipit delays, or helping a corporate client navigate the RBZ's regulatory sandbox for new fintech experiments. The skill shift: if you aren't proficient in SAP FI modules or data analytics, you're falling behind. Banks are hiring more data scientists and cybersecurity experts than traditional tellers. 2. The Multi-Currency Balancing Act. While the ZiG has brought much-needed stability, averaging around ZiG 25 per USD this year, we still operate in a dual-currency environment. The hustle: your brain has to be a human calculator. You are constantly toggling between ZiG, USD, and the occasional digital gold token transaction. The pressure: accuracy is everything. With the RBZ's strict adherence to money supply growth, there is zero room for error in reporting. 3. Customer service has changed forever. The days of the grumpy teller are dying. Because most transactions happen on an app, the customers who actually come into the branch are usually there because something went wrong, or they are high net worth clients looking for investment advice in a single-digit inflation economy. The vibe: it's high stakes. You have to be empathetic, fast, and incredibly knowledgeable about the latest monetary policy statements. You aren't just moving money, you're managing people's confidence. 4. The attractive remuneration reality. You've seen the job boards: competitive salary, attractive remuneration. In 2026, the sector is paying better than it has in decades, often with a mix of USD and ZiG. The perks: working for a major bank like Old Mutual, ZB, or Stanbic comes with prestige and actual career growth. Graduate trainee programs like the RBZ 2026-2028 intake are back in a big way, offering a clear path to leadership. Is it worth it? Working in a Zim bank in 2026 is high pressure. You're at the front lines of a digital revolution. But for those who love fast-paced environments and want to be part of the team rebuilding the nation's financial backbone, there is no better place to be. Rocket Hot Zimbabwe Finance Jobs #hashtags. If you're looking to break into the sector right now, use these hashtags to track the latest openings on LinkedIn and Vacancy Box. #ZimJobs 2026 #Harare Careers #Zim Finance #Fintech Zimbabwe #Graduate Trainee Zim #Zig Revolution #Bulawayo Jobs #Banking Jobs ZW #Accounting Jobs Zim. Pro tip: if you're applying this month, emphasize your experience with digital currency systems and IFRS compliance. The Big Five banks are currently hunting for anyone who understands the intersection of blockchain and traditional retail banking.